recorded as a living testament and recollection of history in the making during our generation.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the OV. I used to move snowflakes by the OZ. I guess even back then you can call me CEO or the ROC. Ho, fresh out the frying pan into the fire. I be the music biz #1 supplier. Fly it in a piece of paper bearing my name. Got the hottest chick in the game wearing my chain. That's right, ho, not DOC, but similar to the letters. No one could do it better. I check cheddar like a food inspector. My homie Strick told me, dude, finish your breakfast. So that's what I'ma do. Take you back to the dude with the Lexus. Fast forward the jewels and the necklace. Let me tell you, dudes, what I do to protect this. Shoot X-Factors like movie directors. Play the movie, dog.
Now before I finish, let me just say, I did not come here to shout out, did not come here to impress you. So please choose nicely and be cool. I don't care what you think about me, but just remember, when it gets to family, because next year, 10 years, 20 years from now, you're gonna be able to say that your brother lied to you, Jack.
They ain't lie, I done came through the block and everything that's fly. I'm like, check the barrel with blink on, I'm complex. I never claim to have wings on, nigga, I get my by any means on. Whenever there's a drought, get your umbrellas out because that's when I brainstorm. You can blame Sean, but I ain't invent the game. I just roll the dice trying to get some change. And I do it twice, ain't no sense to me. I ain't that simple, I am a different man. And I can blame my environment, but ain't no reason why I be buying expensive change. Hope you don't think users are the only abusers. Niggas get high within the game. If you do, then how would you explain? I'm 10 years old, still the vibe is in my veins. I got a hustler spirit, nigga, period. Check out my hat, yo, even where I wear it. Check out my swag, yo, I'm walk like a warrior. No matter where you go, what you are,
It slides a little further when it's heavy.